Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make Rhodium 211 surface using Material Studio software. So this is the model Rhodium 211 surface. I am going to create this only. So this is the paper published in ACS catalysis. So in this paper, if you see here, they created for the FCC 211 surface complex. This is actually simple face-centered cubic 211 surface. So here I'm going to use Rhodium for you to make 211 surface. So open your Material Studio. So then what you have to do, go to File, click Import, and here you can see Structure and Examples. Go to Structures. Here you can see different kind of structures. So here you have to go to Metals. Here clusters and the pure metal is there. Just go to pure metals. Here you can find all metals, all atoms, crystal structures. So here just we are going to select our Rhodium. So this is the Rhodium crystal structure. Just you can highlight and click open. So now line type atom showing. Now we are going to change into the ball type. For that, what you have to do, just right click your mouse and display style. Here you can see ball and stick. Just click ball and stick. Here also the stick radius. Just you can reduce into 1. You can increase this 5 or 6. So it looks somewhat good. So you can increase to 0.6. So that's all. There is no bond in between these atoms. So we can make bond between this atom by clicking this one. So this is the calculate bond. If you click this one, automatically calculate the bonds. So that's all. If you want to know more, just go there, click, and you can go to bond options. You can see different kind of schemes. Here bonding schemes, no bonding for SL, FL is there. If you have that F and SL systems, it won't connect show bonds. So if you want to show all bonds, just you can click this arrow and select include all atoms. Then it will include all atoms. So here also is the monitor bonding. If you want to, you can click monitor bonding, means it will show the double bond or single bond or triple bond like that. So like that, if you want, you can keep this, check this monitor bonding. Otherwise, you can uncheck if you don't want. So this is our Rhodium bulk crystal structure FCC. So if you want to see this crystal structure information, so just go to build, go to crystal, click rebuild crystal. You can find that all the crystal related to crystal information. Here you can see lattice parameters 3.80 for this lattice parameter of this Rhodium bulk structures. So this is the crystal structure informations. So now we will make 211 surface of this one. For that, what you have to do, just go to build, just click this build. It will show this window. Here you can see crystal, and here also is the surface. Select surface. If you keep cursor here, means it will show cleave surface. Just you can cleave. So here it is showing 0.00 only. Just we will change into 2 1 1 1. So we are going to make 211 surface. This is actually stepped surface. So many people will use for catalysis for CO2 reductions and methanol decomposition and CO hydrogenation or CO2 hydrogenation also. So this is very active catalyst. So then what you have to do, go to surface mesh. In here you have to change little bit in order to get like this structure. So this is the paper reported in ACS catalysis work. So you can see this is the FCC 211 surface of transition metals. So we are selecting rhodium only. They mentioned generally, I think this is the rhodium only. So what we have to do now, so we have to change slightly here U value. So we can change into 0.1. So if you change like this means then only you will get similar to that paper structure, otherwise you will get slightly different, but there is no difference. And if you want you can also change this, otherwise no need to change also. So this is up to you, no problem. Now we can click the surface box. So now we are going to cleave the surface. So after making everything, just you can click cleave. So this is the cleave to surface. Now we can increase the layers of the atom. We can make 4 layers. So I will tell you how to make that. So just you can increase the this thickness. So this is the 4 layer is there. This is actually not 4 layer. I think this is the 1 and the second and the third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 layers actually is. So now we have created. So now what you have to do, we need to make vacuum space. So for that what you have to do, again go to build, click crystals. Here you can see build vacuum slab. Here you can show in the 10, just you can make it 20 or 25 based on your reactions. So now we are making vacuum thickness 20. Now I can click build. So single unit cell of this rhodium 211 surface created. So now we can make a super cell. What you have to do, just you can right click, go to display style. Here you can see atom, here lattice. Go to lattice. Here you can change the ABC. So we can change AB. So we are changing the A. So if you want, you can also change B. B, if you increase B means, so the B line will increase. So this is the A, this side is a B. You can see here B. So this is the 2 into 3 surface. So now we will make a super cell. So after that, go to again build. Here you can go to symmetry. After the symmetry, then go to super cell. So here you can find A, B, 2 into 3. So just you can click create super cell. Your super cell is created. So this is the rhodium 211 crystal structure. Just you can use these things. So now you can save this created surface into .cif file or .car or .cor file. So in order to do selective dynamics of these calculations, you need to fix some bottom layers, and some top layers you need to relax. For that you need to short the atom z direction. So I have made one video how to short the atom z direction to easily fix the bottom layer and easily relax the top layer. So I will put that video in the description box. Just you can watch it and you can understand how to short the atom of this created surface. So now we will save this one. Again go to file and click export. So here you can see Material Studio 3D atomistic files. We don't need that one. Just you can click zip file. So go to corresponding folder. This is actually Rhodium 111 zip file. So if you want to car file to sort the atoms at direction, again go to file and export. You can change into the file format type. This is the insight model files .car or COR. So just you can save it. So this is the car file. This is zip file. So you can use this file to sort the atom into Z direction in order to do selective dynamics. So that's all this video. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friend and comment and like my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please also look my other videos I have created for Gaussian and other vast calculation also. Just go through it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.